It is your boy Trucker Doc back with another video for you. I know it's been a while, been a couple of months, but I was dealing with some health issues. Was off the road for about 2 months, but I am back on the road, back in the truck, back getting this money 1 mile at a time. So just wanted to give you guys an update on what's been going on. Like I said, I've had some health issues, was in the hospital for a little bit. All is good, all is well. I feel healthier. Definitely was a eye opener. So I do want to go ahead and touch base on a few things. First thing is I want to thank all the new subscribers, all the support that you guys are commenting on. You're interacting with the channel, and I appreciate that. So shout out to all the new subscribers out there. Shout out to all the new drivers that are going to be coming to Swift Transportation as well. If you are thinking about coming to Swift Transportation, go ahead and put my name down as a referral if you want. If my videos have encouraged you to go to Swift Transportation. Also, my driver code is YANR1. Again, that's YANR1. You tell your recruiter that, they'll go ahead and do the rest. Second thing I want to go ahead and touch base on is for all you new drivers out there, and even the drivers that's been driving for a little bit, or the people that hasn't even gotten a truck yet but are thinking about it. I definitely want to say you need to take care of yourself out here. Definitely need to take care of yourself, and I mean that health-wise. This latest scare that I had, like I said, I was in a coma for 11 days, and I was able to come out and get back to what I love to do, which is drive. But doing that, I changed everything in my diet, how I look at different situations. It just changes you. So you need to take care of yourself out here. That's eating healthier, drinking healthy. And you may think that you can't do it on a truck, but trust me, you can. You can eat healthy on a truck. What I do and what I have done since I've been on a truck, and I've been back on a truck about 2 days. I'll say about 4 days, because I did have a trip coming from Tennessee down to Atlanta, and Atlanta back up to Indiana. So I've been on a truck for about a week, about half a week to a week, and I brought groceries. But what I did, I bought groceries for basically a week and a half, and it's all fresh. I brought apples, I bought healthy alternatives that you can cook on a truck. Like I said, you have a microwave. You can get yourself a microwave, a stove, air fryer, a crock pot, Instapot, whatever you want, you can cook. So there's no excuse of why you can't eat healthy. You don't need to be going into these truck stops eating all this unhealthy, fatty, greasy food. If that's what you want to do, by all means, go ahead and do it. But I'm saying, if you want to be a healthy person and eat healthier, and you're thinking that you can't do it on a truck, trust me, you can do this on a truck. I'm doing it now. I cut out soda. I'm not drinking as much soda as I used to. I've stopped smoking cigarettes. I stopped vaping. I'm eating healthier. I'm watching my salt intake, all of that. And then all of that really contributed to what actually went wrong, and why I ended up in the hospital for 2 months. Also, as you guys didn't know in my previous video, I did go LESOP. So for me to go in the hospital for 2 months, and I lost out on 2 months worth of revenue, which means I'm in the hole right now. So I'm fighting to get myself out of the hole. People are asking me, my mom and my girlfriend are wondering, well, my girlfriend, she knew that I was going to be coming back and going on a truck. But my mom, she doesn't really want me to go back on a truck. And with good reason. Like, I was in the hospital in Tennessee. As you all know, I live in Arizona. So I'm across the country. I'm in a coma. They call my mom. My mom has to scramble around to come to the hospital to see me. So, I mean, just take care of yourself. Be smart out here on this road. And really, it's just, I, again, want to thank all the new subscribers out there. Thank you. I am going to be coming out with more videos. Like I said, I wanted to get back into the swing of things, make sure that I'm good, and I'm gonna be coming back out with some more videos for you guys. Fuel routing, all that stuff. Some ride along videos, whatever you guys want. Drop it down in the comment section. Go ahead, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Thank you guys for tuning in to the Trucker Doc channel. It is the best damn trucking channel on YouTube. Again, hit that like button, hit the comment button, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. Peace out.